the easiest part of this whole process is going to be removing the top cowl, which is not hard to do. It's just a matter of snapping. I don't know if you can see that. Right about just because I want it to work. Ain't that something? So watch this. Pop him out and pop him up. So now that I've popped it, I'm gonna put this back up like this so you guys can see me. I've already popped it loose. Lift it up. Lift it up. And there we go. That simple. I'm excited. I've already unhooked the positive side of the battery. So I'm getting ready to disconnect the alternator right there. I'm going to put this guy right here and bend that down. Boom. It's only 2 bolts holding on. One right here and one right here. And then you got a quick connect. Got a quick connect right underneath. Pop him out. Boom. That's him. And then got a small, I think that's probably a 3/8 or 5/16. So let's see. Well, guess what I do have? I got an adjustable. Lucky adjustable. So I'm gonna take this bad boy off. Pop that free. Pop that thing, girl. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that. And I might make these separate videos. That way, if anybody wants to, you know, see how to change out the alternator, or see how to change the oil, or see how to take the cowling off, do it in 3 separate videos. That way the video won't be that long. This bad boy is nice and roasty. And my belt looks good. Just had that changed out. So now I got the power cable off. Got the quick connect off. Break him free. There we go. Just took a little negotiating. Okay, I'm gonna pop him out first. That way the alternator is gonna swing in, it's gonna loosen the belt. It's not gonna be easy. Swing him in. There's you know the light is blind. There's one bolt right there. Take the belt off. Second bolt out. Alternator's out. And yeah, it's nice and toasty. Pretty much the same. Goes back in the same. Just the opposite. Put me on. Put this guy in. Once I get a couple of threads in. Once I get a couple of threads in, it's not moving. Go ahead and swing the alternator back this way. Swing them back in place. Put the second bolt in. Make sure it gets in there. A little bit of wiggle room. He's good. Don't want to over torque it. Boom. Hi-yow. Go ahead. Do the bottom one. Boom. Go ahead and put everything back. Put my quick connect in. Boom. Put the electrical connection back. Grab my adjustable. That's right. Put the cover back on it. All right, nice and tight. Put the cover back on. Boom, boom. All right. Now, I'm actually going to turn that one off. I'm going to hook the power back up to the battery. Just like this. Don't want to over torque it. Boom. Just like that. Good to go. That quick. Changed out the alternator. I've changed my oil. I'm getting ready to change the gear oil. Today, I think I maybe saved myself. I'm going to do the calculations before I throw the numbers out there. But I know for a fact, the mechanic here told me that to change out the alternator without the alternator was $450. That's not counting the alternator. And the alternator, if you get the OEM alternator, that's $200 to $350. You know, if you get the aftermarket, that's anywhere from, I think, $125 to $179. Either way it go. Just in the alternator alone, I saved myself a ton of money. So, if you own a boat, it behooves you to learn how to do the maintenance on your boat. Big time. Now, I'm getting ready to change out the gear oil. Now, let's make sure the battery is hooked up right. Let's see. Yes, sir. Right now, my meter should read above 12 volts, somewhere around 14.2, 14.6. So, we're going to check it. 14.5. Yes, sir.